In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove subitems in Monday.com. This process can be quite helpful when you're trying to streamline your workspace and focus only on the essential tasks without any distractions. So let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to navigate to Monday.com and ensure you're on the home page. This is where all the magic begins. Once you're there, take a moment to scan the page and acclimate yourself with the layout if it's been a while since you've visited. Knowing your way around the home page will make the whole process much smoother. Next, you'll need to locate the specific workspace where you intend to make changes. Simply give it a click to enter. Each workspace in Monday is like its own project headquarters, containing all the tasks, items, and subitems related to that particular project. Identifying the correct workspace is crucial because this is the area where you'll be making your changes. Once inside your chosen workspace, you're going to want to find the item you wish to focus on and click on the Collapse this item option. This feature allows you to condense the view, making it easier to concentrate on specific tasks without visual clutter from other items. It's a handy tool for organization and enhances focus when working in dense boards. Then you'll see an option to reveal hidden columns within the workspace. Click on this to access columns that might be out of sight. These hidden columns may hold the subitems you're intending to manage. It's like unfolding a drawer that holds all the elements hidden from your view in a tidy list. Once you have revealed these hidden columns, scroll through the options available. Your goal here is to locate the subitem columns. These are the specific pieces of data you want to manage within your project. You will notice checkboxes next to these columns, which denote whether they are set to be displayed or hidden. Finally, to remove the subitems, simply uncheck the subitem columns you wish to remove. By doing this, you ensure that these elements are no longer cluttering your view, and your workspace is tailored to show only what you need. This straightforward method of unchecking allows for quick customization and efficient workspace management. And there you have it. You've successfully removed the subitems in Monday.com just by following these simple steps. By decluttering your workspace in this manner, you can drive productivity and focus towards what really matters in your projects. Remember to save any changes and revisit these settings as needs evolve. Thanks for joining me today, and happy organizing.